What's up, guys? This is your boy Lanier here, and I see that there's been a lot of conversation going on YouTube about Vero and basically how it's the best social media app that you can pretty much go to right now besides Instagram, because let's be real, we're all pretty fed up on Instagram. And actually, I've been on Vero for a while. I was on Vero, I would say about 2 years ago, when I was like really looking for another app. I kind of already went through this phase that everyone's already going through right now. And I can tell you that I have found another app that is a good alternative to Instagram, and it's not Vero. And the coolest part about it is you can monetize your content on this app as soon as you get on it. So it's just like a win-win situation. If you wanna know what it is, keep watching. Okay guys, I'm going to attempt to come outside because I just like being out in the sun, walking and talking to you guys. All right, that's better, I can work with that. So the app that I'm trying to tell you guys about is this app called Fanbase. Fanbase is a dope app that was created by this guy named Isaac Hayes III because he was tired of the whole Instagram situation that we were going through. And it's like when you, oh my God, I forgot the air conditioner's on. Let me just, maybe if I walk this way. Okay, so Isaac Hayes created the Fanbase app, and I really love it because as soon as you get on the app, there's no algorithm keeping you from being able to grow. You are able to also monetize your content from day one because they have this like currency on the app called loves. So basically, you know how you can like, comment, and subscribe to someone, and all of those are like free action-based things that you could do. But imagine there also being another option where people can click a button and they give you money, which is another action of showing like how much they want to support you, and it's called the love function. That is like what the entire app is centered around. Everything that you do, whether it's from posting pictures and videos or going live, or literally just by subscribing to you, people have the option to send you love. And they also have these audio rooms, which is similar to like Clubhouse. The best way to subscribe Fanbase is, imagine if Clubhouse, Instagram, and YouTube came together and had a baby. That would be Fanbase. And it's really dope. I've been on the app for about 1.5 years now, or a year, and I've had some really cool debates on there, and everyone keeps talking about like, man, if only we had more people on this app being able to communicate with each other and talk, it would be a lot funner experience. So I just figured, hey, since everyone's talking about getting off of Instagram right now, maybe this is the best time to be able to jump in the conversation and give you guys a really dope alternative. Okay guys, so I am not sponsored at all whatsoever by Fanbase. I'm just a fan who's on the app, who sees the beauty and potential of it and how you can make money as well as post your content, which is, I think, ultimately what we all want to do, is get paid for posting the content that we were already posting to Instagram. And for some of us, you know, people have been able to grow these massive followings, but they're still broke every day, which is ridiculous. And it shouldn't be like that. If we're helping an app grow to astronomical heights, we should be able to grow with the app. So yeah, basically, if you are trying to get in a position to where you want to be able to pick the best app for you going forward that has the user in mind, as far as like making sure that we can become successful as long as the app grows. And oh, and here's another cool thing. Isaac, the guy who made the app, pledged that he was never going to drop an algorithm that keeps you from being seen or shadow banned or anything like that, like how these other apps do. Because I'm not gonna lie, even TikTok is starting to get a little Instagram-ish when it comes to holding you back on your reach, but that's like a whole nother conversation. I just wanted to throw in my 2 cents because I already made another video talking about Vero and how Instagram is dead, and it seems like you guys really want to talk about this conversation. So I'm like, shoot, let's talk about it. Vero is a cool app to switch to, but I just feel like Fanbase is better because of the fact that you can monetize and it's already built into every aspect. It's like if you were to leave Instagram and go to Fanbase, there's nothing that you would feel like you're missing out on as far as like all the features that you're used to, from posting stories, going live, and posting pictures and videos, but with the added bonus of being able to monetize every single thing you do on the app from day one. And there's no type of like milestones you have to hit. As soon as you download the app, make a profile, you can make money. I mean, yeah, I think it's cool that Instagram is starting to pay me for making Instagram Reels now. I have actually been able to reach a payout, and it's cool and everything, but it just feels like it's almost a little bit too late. You're only trying to play catch up to all the other apps and how they thought about the users first. Now you're trying to be like, oh yeah, we care too, but if you really cared, that's what you guys would have done a long time ago. We had been asking. Like, there was definitely plenty of videos and people asking, hey, can you guys give us a way to monetize? That's what we want to do. Now Instagram really is about to die. It's sad, but at the same time, bro, come on, man. You guys have plenty of time to change the app and make it better. Just listen to your user base. We will tell you what we want. Okay, so real quick, here's my thoughts on Vero, because like I said, I have been on Vero for about 2 years and I posted a lot of content to Vero, and the vibe that I get is that Vero is kind of like the early stages of Instagram as far as like you can post content and hopefully people can see it. People are starting to slowly follow you and stuff like that and discover you because of a lot of YouTubers starting to make this content where we talk about Vero. So of course people are finding out about it. But like I saw in another YouTube video, there was somebody talking about like how people kind of feel entitled, like they're supposed to have followers, and people are already starting to do the follow unfollow thing, which that in itself is kind of toxic, doesn't really put the app in the best light. Vero kind of seems boring to me right now. It's cool because there are a lot of professional videos and you don't lose quality when you post your content. By the way, Fanbase does not lower your quality as well. Every time I post anything on there, I'm like, God dang, I forgot about not compressing my files whenever I post it. Like, this is how it's supposed to look. I mean, Vero's pretty cool. It's just that I would like to be able to jump in, being able to make money, making this be a thing that it feels like the app that I'm contributing to actually cares and wants to help me grow and be able to sustain the lifestyle that I'm trying to live, which is become a full-time content creator, like a lot of you probably are as well. So basically, if it's important to you to be able to make money as you post content and not just only have a place to just post something, then I would say Fanbase would be the best bet. Instagram is dead. Vero is cool, but Fanbase is the best option. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. I had to get ready to go to school. Make sure you guys keep aiming for the top, and peace.